Hello everyone, welcome to PU Maths. If 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power 1 minus x is equals to 10, then find the value of x. If you are interested to solve this problem, you can pause this video now and try to solve. Otherwise, let's begin to solve this problem. So, to simplify this problem, I will write this expression 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power 1 minus x is equals to 10. So here this 3 to the power x plus 1 can be rewritten as 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1 plus this one also can be written as 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power minus x is equals to 10. Now we can write this as 3 to the power x into 3 plus this 3 to the power 1, that is 3, divided by this 3 to the power minus x. By shifting it to denominator, we can rewrite it as 3 to the power x is equals to 10. Now in this equation, let's replace this 3 to the power x by p. Then we get 3p plus 3 by p is equals to 10. Now we have a equation. Let's simplify it. So by simplifying it, we get here LCM p. So 1 p is up, p 1's up. So we get 3p square plus 3 divided by p is equals to 10. Further, by simplifying this, we can write it as 3p square plus 3 equals 10p. Then further simplification gives us 3p square minus 10p plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. Let's solve this by factorization by splitting the middle term. Then we can write it as 3p square minus 9p minus 1p plus 3 is equals to 0. Out of these two terms, let's factor out 3p. Then we are left with p minus 3. In these two, let's factor out minus 1. Then we have p minus 3 equals to 0. Then we can write p minus 3 is equal 0 or 3p minus 1 equals 0. You can write here p equals 3 or 3p equals 1. Then p is equals 1 by 3 at here. Here we can write p is equals to 3. Now let's replace this p by 3x now in this equation. Then we can write here as p value is 3 to the power x equals this 3. We can write it as 3 to the power 1, or here p value is 3 to the power x equals here 1 by 3. This can be rewritten as 3 to the power minus 1. Since bases are same here, we can equate the powers. By equating the powers, we can write x equals 1 or x equals minus 1. So the values of x are either 1 or minus 1. That is the solution. I hope you all got the solution. Thank you for watching the video.